Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to copy your trust wallet address. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already installed the application and added my wallet. In case you have not, do it right now. Now let's simply look at how to copy the wallet address. As you can see, there are multiple tokens right here. That's crypto. Select whatever you wish. In case you don't find your crypto from right here, you can simply search for it. Or else what you can do easily is click on this receive button right here. Click on it right now. Now from here, what you guys need to do is simply select any token of your wish. Let's say I'm gonna select Bitcoin right here. And guys, this is it. This is your address. You can simply copy it or share your QR code. Likewise, you can do the same for all of these. As you guys can see, these are my addresses. And guys, that is it. Simply click on any token of your wish and just hit on copy. Or else what you can do is simply share the QR code. That is it guys. That's how you copy your trust wallet address. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.